On the 4 hours time frame, we can see that the markets create the higher high and the higher low structure at this time already breakout. BS already breakout. Therefore, the down movement already create. And at this time, we have two plays to take profit. The first play to take profit is this recent low of the market, also the strong demand zone in the market. And the second play, also my favorite play, is the recent low of the market creates the up movement like this. I mean that the first play price moving up to take profit. One more thing you need to make sure at this time you can make this play in a risky zone if price come into this level and create some of the pattern like double patterns show you that price cannot go further. You can quick exit at this time to make sure to have the really profits after one trade. But at this time I will take profits until this play and chaining stop based on structure of the market. So let's move on in the 1 hour time frame to see what happened in the market. And you can see that after after two candles, price already tapped into my open price, and at this time I already entry. And you can see that after price go into my open price already go very sharply with the down parabolic candles in the 1 hour time frame. Also see the liquidity at this time and the structure at this time, also the lower low and the lower high. And you can chaining stop from this stop loss to the open price or chaining stop based on the safety candle like this. It means that half of stop loss also reduce the loss, reduce the risky for this trade, and let price continue move down. So let's see what happened in the market. Price continue go very strongly. And you can see that at this time price already go down once more time, and liquidity also appear a lot on this down movement. And at this time structure already creates a lower low and the lower high. Therefore at this time I can continue trading stop based on the structure of the market, because this candle is quite big. Therefore you can trading stop right in the middle of these marble candles. And let's move on some candle to see whether I can take profits with this entry. This is not of the structure of the market. This is a range because the first pullback candle is a pin bar candles. Is a dozy candle, cannot show you the strong pullback very obviously. At this time that is a range and we cannot trading stop into this zone. And price continue go down, appears the liquidity on the down movement very strong, and continue go down once more time. And here is our risky zone, also strong demand zone, and price already break out. It means that we can take profits until these levels, and at this time we can trading stop price above of this structure, because when price break out until over here, price already create the structure, the valid structure like this. Therefore trading stop price above of this structure is very good for this case. So let's move on some candles. And price break out the risky zone and retest again, and might be come into my take profits. And at this time you can see that I already closed this trade with really nice reward break ratio, might be more than 10 times, and that is my favorite entry for smart money concept. Smart money concept, you need to wait more time than other strategies, but reward break ratio is really impressive. And if you're trading for prop firm funds, normally one trade will be risky is 1% of your account, but at this time if you can win this trade you can earn is 10% of your account. And if you just have the profit is more than 5%, you can withdraw the money. That is the rule of the prop firm funds, and I hope this example can help you to fully understand about smart money concept. And thank you.